this is so cute. He's drooling on me. And then can you get all of them?
Yeah.
Keep doing it for a little longer. He's like drooling on me. Here we go. He's drooling on me so bad.